It's Chriso from the Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. We're getting into these walls right now. As you saw yesterday, I did the floor, and now we're doing the walls. As you can see, it's quite a nice sized bathroom. Freestanding bath here, shower of course, vanity there. So it's quite a cool, good sized bathroom. It's the same thing all the time when you're doing walls. If you're dead plumb, dead level I should say, you bang on dead plumb and everything's easy. I'll show you a little secret. If you're not super bang on in your first row, well, occasionally you just use a wedge just to adjust it until you come right. It only sort of happens for the first couple of rows sometimes, and then you've got it bang on. After that, you're home and hose. It's another beautiful day on the Gold Coast, of course. We had a bit of rain last night, which is good for the gardens. I always leave it like that, and I do my cuts right around the next day. So you know what to do. Press that subscribe button and we're home and hose. And you'll always be able to see each video when it comes out. At the moment it's every 3 days. Shortly it'll be every 2 days. Whooshka.